these cyclists are mad. It's 24% up here. Okay, I'm just going to give you an orientation tour of the Berghof area. Another cyclist. These cyclists, some of the slopes here, 23-24%. They're really, really difficult to walk up. This is not a good spot to come across a cyclist. If you see the metal thing in front of you, that's actually the top of the ski lift. There on the left. Okay, now if I go round this corner to the right, you head up towards the documentation centre and the buses to go to Eagle's Nest, which I'm not going to do. I want to go across here, which is unfortunately bad timing. And I've got a signpost right where you want to look for a car. That is really badly designed. There is a big orange sign to my right, so I can't see what's coming down the hill. Very badly designed, Germany. Alright. Now this slope on the right hand side was the base for all the various bunkers, houses, Berghof and all the rest of it belonging to the Nazi Germans. So Berchtesgaden is behind me. Now where there's that yellow sign you can see on the right, that's the Berghof. So it's just behind me by about 100 metres. So that's Hitler's residence. That was bombed to 2 pieces. Now on this corner there is actually a pillar box there, that stone thing, and to my right is another part of the bunker. They don't like being filmed, so I'm not even going to try and turn around. I actually had a woman complain at me for filming even though I was walking down the road. Very sensitive. Alright. Now what have we got next? Now obviously none of it really stands up anymore, you can't see anything anymore. Now on the left we've got the driveway to Göring's house. What I might do is go into the car park just to show you. I didn't realise yesterday when I came in here looking for a parking space, this is private parking, so that's Göring's house. That's where the house he nicked, which is very impressive. Let's do a nice U-turn. This is a lovely smooth video. Let's try not to hit a tree. Okay. Let's head back onto the road again. Now on the right there's a path. You won't be able to see up it, but there's a coke bunker, which is quite a significant piece of gear. So that's immediately to the right, and out to the left, which again I can't show you because it would mean crashing, where the SS lived. So there's some nice houses here. There's 3 of them that look the same, or properties I would say, rather than houses. So that's where the SS guards lived. So that gives you an idea, about half a mile of the Nazi regime's summer residence. They did lots of meetings up here to show off. And the views, because they were cleared then, you can't see anything because of the trees now. The views are spectacular. Okay, so obviously these are private houses today, but these homes were taken over by the SS. Just for orientation, about 400 metres up there is where the Berghof was. The coke bunker is right through the trees, about 50 metres that way. Everything's quite close together. Now again, bearings just over that path on the other side. You can just see the top of Göring's house. The Berghof is to my left, and this is the It's called SS Gatehouse. This is the entrance gate leading up to the Eagle's Nest. So this was the security check before you did the, I think it's a 7 kilometre road up there somewhere to the Eagle's Nest.